Why did I choose Igbo as my brand? I love to speak my language. We have many tribes, many ethnic around the global world index. Some of them are choose to speak their language. It's not that I don't want to speak English language. For the sake of my content, my brand, that's why I choose to speak English, Igbo language. So for you that always come to my channel, always throw the insult on me, Maazi, can't you speak English? I'm a learned, I speak a lot, but I choose that branch to be, most especially if I'm making a proverb. Because a lot of people are confused. If you chat me private, I'm going to demonstrate and explain to you what all my content, all the videos I make is all about. It's not that you are not more graduate than me, and you are not more well educated than me, you are not well speaking than me, but I choose my brand to be in Igbo language. Okay? Because the Igbo language is a movement. Believe it or leave it. Igbo language, boom. A lot of continents always like to speak Igbo language. Could you imagine? I'm proud of myself and also proud of my language, whether you like it or not. If you are following me because you don't understand my language, please seek for the concept or those who is Igbo. Give them this my videos. They will help you to interpret it. Okay? Then second note, I make my brand to be an Igbo language. Doesn't mean that I don't know how to speak English language. At least you are hearing me loud and clear. For the principles and the rules that govern social media, based on the kind of content I'm doing, there is some words you can't use or some utterances. You understand there is some rules. So for me to avoid all those things, I have to choose my mother's tongue. So please, if you don't understand my content, seek for any Igbo closer to you. They will help you to interpret it. China are speaking their language. Japan are speaking their language. Even Jamaicans, even North Korea are speaking their language. Therefore, I'm speaking the Igbo language. I choose this as my brand. Question me no more. Oftentimes, I always emphasize on it that I